All right, recording is rolling. So happy Monday morning, Monday, February 27th. Right, so I've got next couple weeks pretty much planned out. That's gonna take us all the way to spring break. So I'm gonna pull up an FRQ today. Actually, I'm not gonna pick this up from you guys. I'm just gonna have you guys keep this in your notes. We'll go over the solutions. We'll just do step by step. And every time we do an FRQ, we do a little bit differently. So you get a little bit different perspective on that. Okay, so this will be on Unit 4 Energy. So about to pull that in a few minutes. I was going to do AP Classroom today, but I realized I forgot to remind you guys back on Friday, and only half you guys have done that. So we'll just do that tomorrow. If you haven't done this yet, half you guys have, then we're going to go over these solutions tomorrow. You guys know Wednesday is the SAT. All juniors are taking it, and I think a few seniors. So yeah, I haven't seen relocation information exactly, but I know there is going to be SAT testing in this class. So you guys aren't going to be in here. Well, of course, you're testing here. Right? A couple guys might be. Right. Well, at some point I got to mention. Where did? Right. Oh, here. But let's just. Right. So. Wait. Why did I put practice with AP? I didn't mean that. AP exam. Oops. All right. That's yeah. That would make like the least sense in the world, wouldn't it? Oops, AP exam. All right, so AP has like 3 preloaded practice AP exams. You guys took one a few weeks back. So we're going to do the second one here before spring break. So bring your laptop Thursday, Friday, right? So you guys can bring your laptop, right? And then we'll go over the solutions these 3 days, right? So yeah, if you don't quite finish by the weekend, then if you have like a couple questions left, you can knock those out over the weekend, okay? So we'll take begin next week to go over the solutions to those. Right, and then okay, then we're gonna go into spring break here pretty soon. After spring break, we got to hit Unit 5. What was Unit 5? Yeah, momentum and collisions, right? So we got to cover that. What was Unit 6? Oh, yeah, it's like yeah, harmonic motion, pendulums, block on spring, and what was Unit 7? Yeah, rotational dynamics, right? Which was a lot of things. That actually was kind of like everything times 2 because everything linear had some kind of rotational analog. Right. So yes, we got to hit those 3, and then get you guys another practice exam. That'll get us pretty close to the actual AP exam in May. Right. So first, I'm gonna get you guys these review quizzes. Right. You guys have on your desk right now energy review quiz for Unit 4. So I figure just number of reasons we got a little bit wacky schedule going on here. Let's make this a take-home quiz. There have been really good advantages of having quizzes in class, right? You got the pressure, the environment and whatnot. So ideally you should be able to do this from scratch, but okay, I mean, so we're just gonna take on quiz, right? So take on quiz. Let's have this due on Friday, right? So Friday this week, okay? And then really too, when I was going over the review, I forgot to mention about power, guys. What is power? Power is okay. It's measured in watts, right? Now, what does watts break down into? What for what? Joules per second. Which tells you what power is, right? Isn't that like a rate of energy or rate of work, right? Right. So yeah, joules per second, that's what that would be, right? Right. And for number 2 in particular, the fast way to solve it actually is with a formula on Elijah's review page. I went ahead and printed it out for you guys. So you guys had this too. So this is for you guys, right? Elijah, of course, made this for you. But there's a particular formula that he has on this review. So I'll just say that much, and then you guys get that from there. Okay. All right, so of course we're doing AP Classroom tomorrow. So if you haven't done that yet, do that then. I had this NIMSI meeting back on, well, here, a bunch of teachers had this back on Friday after school. So what is NIMSI? There was this AP training that a bunch of your AP teachers went to last summer, and we got some good resources. I picked up a couple new labs. I always try to do that every one of these things. some of the recent review pages given you guys, like this was one of the recent pages gave you guys. This is from MC, so I pulled this from their folder materials just as an example. Supposedly, and we were all just learning this for the first time. You guys have been receiving emails from them, or had received at least 1 or 2 emails, or maybe more. I don't know. Okay, something about like there's some kind of like Blackboard access with like on-demand modules. Okay, looks like some of you guys might recognize. Okay, yeah. Oh, yeah. Go ahead.
Oh no, I'm just saying I've gotten.
Yeah. Okay, you've gotten these. Okay. All right. Yeah. Looks like some of you guys know what these emails are. Some of you guys like not sure. Okay, so probably check your student emails. See if you have some of them from MZ. If you wanted extra practice materials, then you got that there too. All right. So yeah, so it's some kind of Blackboard access. All right. So lots of stuff for your planner, right? Lots of stuff for your planner, right? Take home quiz return on Friday. 8 class if you haven't done that yet. You're gonna bring your laptop Thursday, Friday. Double check your student email to see if you have this Blackboard access. All right, and one more thing before we switch over to this FRQ. All right, you guys see this small slip of paper in your desk? Small slip. All right, we're gonna do a ballot. What you guys want to do last couple days for spring break? Because I found because you guys know after spring break you get really crazy with testing, including you guys have the exam for this class. So traditionally, I found this is like perfect place for I always play some songs for my classes. Always put on a concert near the end of the year. Now AP sometimes I try to put it after the AP exam, so it's like I don't know. I think I'd like to do it here, but I'll leave it up to you guys. So here's gonna be the ballot. Right. If you want to, I think last 2 days before spring break to just like do more FRQs, then we could do that. Just pull up some more FRQs. We can get more practice in. All right. If you guys want to go ahead and I can just do the concert with you guys, just like I'm gonna do with all my other classes. Then all right. So got A or B. So just write either A or B on this slip of paper, and then before you walk out the class today, just pop that in the grade tray, and we'll just do a majority vote. Okay. All right, so you guys get there? I know that's a lot of stuff. Monday morning, more stuff.